of grade 6. Yes, different types of angles you need to know. You need to learn in this lesson. Here is a very easy lesson. In few minutes, I will be teaching you this segment. Okay, so the first type of angle is, this type of angle, right? This type of angle. This type of angle. This type of angle. How do we identify this type of angle? Basically, then just take a look of these types of angles. The instrument that we use to measure the angles in maths is, that is the protractor. When you use the protractor, when you measure the angles, just to think of this angle, just to think of this angle as well. So this is 0 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Okay, so these angles are found between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. 0 degrees and 90 degrees. The unit which uses to measure the angles is, degrees. Okay, so anyway, these angles are met in between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. All these angles, right? Just to think of this one, I will name this one as A. So this angle is as B, right? This one B. This bigger triangle is as C. So all these angles are between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. These types of angles we name as acute angles. Acute angles. Okay, these angles are acute angles. What is the value of this one? This is 90 degrees. Okay, anyway, this type of angle is a right angle. Here is a right angle. Okay, right angle. So right angle, here is a right angle. Right angle. You could see this board, right? You could see this board. You could see this smart board. Okay, then what is the value of this angle? Here is a right angle. What's the value of this angle? Here is a right angle, this angle, right angle. Okay, so the other type of angle is, this one. I'll make this point as X. So this angle. Here is a straight line, right? Here is a straight line. So anyway, this angle is a straight angle. This angle is